Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 1 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 maths and then click on your lessons. So let's just start with the chapter comparing. The lessons we're going to cover are comparison word problems. Then the final test of the chapter. Then we'll start a new chapter that is addition skill builders, and we're going to cover the lesson that is adding one. So let's start with the first lesson that is comparison word problems. So let me just write down the lesson name, then we'll start. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Comparison word problems. Okay, comparison word problem. There are 8 clowns and 7 animals in the circus. Does the circus have more clowns or animals? So we have 8 clowns and 7 animals. We have to see, does the circus has more clowns or animals? So which is more, clowns is more or animals is more? So basically you have to compare both the numbers. Got it? You need to see which number is greater. So which is greater? 8 is more than 7. Got it? That means you have more clowns in the circus. Got it? You have 8 clowns and 7 animals, so it is greater than 7. That means we have 8 clowns in the circus. Got it? Let me read the next one. Just listen to me carefully. At a grocery store, there are 8 containers of mint ice cream. There are fewer containers of chocolate ice cream than the mint ice cream. How many containers of chocolate ice cream are there in the grocery store? So you are given you have 8 containers of mint ice cream. Got it? And there are fewer containers of chocolate ice cream than mint ice cream. So chocolate ice cream are less than the mint ice cream. Got it? How many containers of chocolate ice cream are there? You have to see which number is how many chocolate ice creams are there. So you have 8 mint ice cream. That means the chocolate ice creams must be less than 8. Got it? So either you can try any of the number 5, 6, 7. They all are less than 8. Got it? So that means let's suppose they are. You have 5 of the chocolate ice creams. Got it? Any number that is less than 8. Got it, everyone? Okay. Ron invited 9 people to the party. Brendan invited more people than Ron did. How many people did Brendan invite to party? Ron invited 9. Brendan invited more than Ron. Got it? So you have to select any number that is more than 9. Got it? You can select 9 more than not 9 is 10, 11. So suppose he invited 10 people. Got it? It's up to you which number you select, 10 or 11. Got it? Because both the numbers are more than 9. Got it, everyone? So let's just start with the test questions. Okay, let me read the questions. Just listen to me carefully. The swimming center owns five orange diving rings. It owns more green rings than the orange rings. You have four orange diving rings. Got it? It owns more green diving rings than the orange diving rings. How many green diving rings does the swimming center own? So, which is the correct option? 8 or 2? They are more green than red, orange. So, green is 5. So, you have to select the one number that is more than 5. More than 5 means the number that is greater than 5. Got it? So, which number is greater than 5? 8 or 2? Which number it is? 8. Got it? Because 8 is greater than 5. So, the correct option is 8. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the local Chinese restaurant has four cooks and one waiter. Are there fewer cooks or fewer waiters working at the restaurant? So, which is fewer? You have four cooks and one waiter. You have to compare the numbers. So, are there fewer cook or fewer? Which number is less? You have to compare the numbers. Which is smaller? One is less than four. Got it? And you have one waiter. That means the uh, restaurant has fewer waiters. Got it? Just one waiter and four cooks. So the restaurant has fewer waiters. Got it? So the correct option is the waiters. Got it? Because more, they has four cooks and one waiter. Okay, Eva went to a fruit stand and bought two lemons. She bought more limes than lemons. How many limes did Eva buy? So she bought two lemons and more limes than lemon. So how many limes did Eva buy? Which is the correct option? One or six? More limes than lemon. That means the number must be greater than two. Which number it is? Which number is greater than two? Which is the correct option? Very good. It is six. Got it? Because six is greater than two. So she has more limes than lemon. So the correct option is six. Got it? So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. The library has five books about cars and four books about airplanes. Does the library have fewer books about cars uh, or books about airplanes? You have five books about car and four books about airplanes. So which is less? Books about car or books about airplanes? Compare the numbers. Which number is smaller? Five is smaller, four is smaller. Find a smaller number. Four is smaller. Got it? That means, and four books about airplanes. That means the book about airplanes are fewer in the library. Got it? The correct option is option number two, books about airplane. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay. The local Chinese restaurant has 10 cooks and 8 waiters. Got it? 10 cooks, 8 waiters. Are there more cooks or waiters working at the restaurant? So you have to see which is more. Cooks are more or waiters are more. Which number is greater? 10 or 8? You can write the answers in the chat box if you know the answers. So, which is more? Yes, very good. Cooks are more. Got it. So, the correct option is 10 is greater number. That means you have more cooks than waiter. So there are more cooks than waiter. Got it? So the correct option is cooks. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. And every apartment building, there are 4 apartments with a view of the park. There are fewer apartments with a view of the street than with a view of the park. How many apartments have a view of the street? So which of the option is the correct one? 4 of them are 4 apartments with a view of park. Got it? And there are fewer apartment with a view of the street. So which is the correct option? 3 or 8? Fewer means number must be less than the 4. Got it? More means the greater one and fewer means the less one. So which number is less than 4? Very good. That would be 3. That means he have 3 apartments with a view of street. Got it? The correct option is 3. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Mitch and Arlette are making paper hats. Arlette has 3 paper hats. Mitch has made fewer hats than Arlette has. How many papers hats has Mitch made? So he has 3. Arlette has 3. And Mitch make fewer than Arlette. Got it? So that you must select the number that is less than 3. Got it? So which option is the correct one? You must have select the number that must be less than 3. Got it? So it is 1. Got it? That means Mitch has just 1 hat. Got it? So the correct option is 1. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, Tess and Wilson collected bugs from a school project for a school project. Tess went to the park and collected 9 bugs. Wilson went down by the creek and collected fewer bugs than Tess. How many bugs did Wilson collected? Which is the correct option? 8 and 10. He collected fewer bugs than Tess. So the number must be fewer means less. The number must be less than 9, which is the correct option. Yes, that the number that is less than 9 is 8. That means that he collected 8 bugs. Got it? The correct option is 8. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? You have to complete that lesson later today. Complete the test later today. If you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So we're going to start with the final test of the chapter comparing. Let's just start with the final test of the chapter. Okay, which word make true? You have to compare the numbers 6 and 8. So which is the correct option? 6 is greater than, less than, or equal to 8. Which option is the correct one? 6 is less than 8. Got it? Because 6 is smaller than 8. So the correct option is 6 is less than 8. Got it? Less means the number is smaller than 8. Got it? So the correct option is less than. Got it? So 6 is less than 8. Okay, which word makes the statement true? 10 and 10. You have to compare both the numbers. So 10 is greater than 10, is less than, or is equal to. Which of the option is the correct one? So which is the correct option? Is equal to 10. Got it? 10 is equal to 10. Both the numbers are same, so they must be equal. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is which number makes the statement true? 6 and 4. You have to compare both the numbers. So 6 is greater than 4, less than 4, or equal to 4. Which is the correct option? 6 is greater than 4. Got it? You have to compare both the numbers. So 6 is greater than 4. Got it? So correct option is greater than 4. Okay, the library has 8 books about snakes. It has more books about frogs than books about snakes. How many books about frogs does the library have? Okay, so the library has 8 books about snakes. Got it? So it has more books about the frogs. So you have to select the number that is more than 8. Got it? Which of the option is the correct one? Which option is the correct option? The number that is more than 8 is 9. Got it? The correct option is 9. The number that is more than 8 is 9. Okay, which words make the statement true? 4 and 3. You have to compare the number. 4 is greater than 3. 3 less than 3 or equal to 3. Which of the option is the correct one? 4 is greater than 3. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, Ruth and Shape had a sit-up contest. Ruth had 5 sit-ups and Shane had 8 sit-ups. Who did fewer sit-ups? So 5 and 8. Who did fewer sit-ups? Fewer means the smaller number, the number which is smaller. So which number is smaller? 5 is less than 8. Got it? That means, and Ruth did 5. That means Ruth has the fewer sit-ups than the Shane. Got it? So the correct option is Ruth. Ruth did the fewer sit-ups than the Shane. Got it? Okay, which words makes the statement true? 68. You have to compare both the numbers. So are they equal, greater, or less? Both of the numbers are exactly same, so they are equal. Got it? 68 is equal to 68. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Which words make the statement true? 1. You have to compare both the numbers. So are they greater, equal, or less? They are equal. Got it? 1 is equal to 1. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which words make the statement true? You have to compare the numbers 63 and 63. So are they greater, less, or equal? They are equal. Got it? 63 is equal to 63. Okay, the local Chinese restaurant has 10 cooks and 8 waiters. 10 cooks and 8 waiters. Are there more cooks or waiters working at the restaurant? So which is more? Cooks are more or waiters are more? Which is the correct option? There are more cooks. Got it? Because 10 is greater than 8, so they have more cooks. The correct option is cooks. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the library has 5 books about cars and 4 books about airplanes. Does the library have fewer books about cars or books about airplanes? So which option is the correct one? Which is fewer? fewer books. Yes, 4 is smaller number. That means the library has fewer books about airplane. Got it? So the correct option is books about airplanes. Got it? Okay, the jewelry store has 4 diamond necklaces. It has more jade necklaces than the diamond necklaces. How many jade necklaces does the jewelry store have? So which of the option is the correct one? They have 4 diamond rings. Got it? And the jade necklaces are 4 diamond necklaces and they have more jade necklaces. Got it? You have to select the number that is greater than 4. 4 means the number that is greater than, more means the number must be greater than 4. So which option is the correct one, 1 or 7? Yes, that would be 7. Got it? Because 7 is more than 4. So the correct option is 7. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is Hannah was packing a suitcase. She put 5 t-shirts and 7 sweaters. Which did which did she pack fewer of t-shirts or sweater? So she packed 7 t-shirts and she packed 5 t-shirts and 7 sweaters. So which is fewer? 5 is fewer or 7 is fewer? Which option is the correct one? 5 is fewer than 7. Got it? That means she has fewer t-shirts. Got it? So the correct option is t-shirts because she has 5 t-shirts and 7 sweaters. So she has less t-shirts. That means she packed fewer t-shirts. Got it? Okay, which words makes the statement true? 1 and 3, you have to compare both the numbers. So 1 is greater than 3, less than 3, or equal to 3. 1 is less than 3. Got it? So the correct option is less than. 1 is less than 3. Which words make the statement true? 2 is, you have to compare 2 and 1. So 2 is greater, less, or equal. Which is the correct option? 2 is less than 1. Got it? The correct option is less than. 2 is less than 1. Got it? Oh, sorry, I selected the wrong option. The correct option is less. Got it? 2 is less than 1. Okay, the next one is in Avery's apartment building, there are 4 apartments with a view of the park. There are fewer apartments with a view of the street than with a view of the park. How many apartments have a view of the street? So you have to select the one that is fewer. There are fewer 4 apartments with park view of park. The There are fewer apartments, so you must select a number that is less than 4. Got it? So which of the option is the correct one? Very good, that would be 3. Got it? So that means he has 3 apartments have a view of the street. The correct option is 3. Got it? So the correct option is 3. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Which word makes the statement true? 9 and 4. You have to compare both the numbers. So 9 is greater than 4, less than 4, or equal to 4. Which option is the correct one? Yes, 9 is greater than 4. Got it. So the correct option is greater than. 9 is greater than 4. Got it. Okay. Tess and Wilson collected bugs for a project, school project. Tess went to the park and collected 9 bugs. Wilson went down by the creek, 9 bugs. So Wilson went down by the creek and collected fewer bugs than the Tess did. How many bugs did Wilson collect? So he collected 9 bugs. So the Wilson went down by the creek and got fewer bugs. So you have to select the number that is less than 9. Got it? So which number it is? The number that is less than 9 is 8. Got it? That means Wilson collected 8 bugs. Got it? Which words makes the statement true? 62 and 61. You have to compare both the numbers. So 62 is greater, less, or equal. 62 is greater than 61. Got it? So correct option is greater. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? We're going to start a new chapter that is addition building skills. We are done with the chapter comparing. We're going to start the new chapter that is addition skill builders. Got it? So let's start with the new chapter and start with very first lesson that is adding 1. Let's start with the first lesson. Okay, so we have to add 1. Got it? 1 plus 1, you are adding just 1. So adding 1 gives you the next number in the counting. Got it? Like you started with 1, you added 1, 1 plus 2. Got it? So adding 1 gives you the next number. Got it? So whenever you are adding 1 to any number, the answer will be the next number in the counting. Got it? So for 0 plus 1 it is, which is the correct option. 0 plus 1 is 1. Got it? So 1 is the next number in the counting right after 0. Got it? Plus 1, so 6 plus 1 makes 7. So simply you can, when you add 1, you get the next number in the counting. Got it? Like for example, here you have 6, so the next number in the counting is 7. So adding 1 gives next number. Got it? Okay, let's just click on the test button. Okay, the next one is add 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is, which is the correct option? 7 plus 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8. Got it? The next number in the counting right after 7 is 8. So adding 1 gives you the next number. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, then 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 1 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Got it? So the correct option is very good. 11. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 9 plus 1. So which is the next number in the counting right after 9? So after the 1 in the counting, the next number is 10. Got it. 9 plus 1 is 10. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. Add 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Got it. 1 plus 2 is 3. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is add 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 1 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Got it. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, add 1 plus 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 0 is 1. Got it. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The next one is add 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is yes, that would be 6. Got it. 5 plus 1 is 6. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, add 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 1 plus 3 is yes, that would be 4. Got it. Okay, the next one is add 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is sorry, 6 plus 1. So 6 plus 1 is yes, that would be 7. Got it. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, the next one is add 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is yes, the correct option is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is add 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is yes, 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, the next one is add 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 1 is ten plus 1 is 11. Got it. Okay, add 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Got it. 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, the next one is add 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is which is the correct option? 1 plus 3 is 4. The next one is add 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 1 is 11. Got it. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, add 6 plus 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Got it. 6 plus 1 is 7. 1 plus 2 is 3. Got it. Okay, the next one is 9 plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Got it. Okay, the next one is add 7 plus 1. So 7 plus 1 is, okay, the next one is 7 plus 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Got it. 7 plus 1 is 8. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, add 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Got it. So is 5. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, add 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. Got it. 1 plus 8 is 9. Okay, the next one is add 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 5 is, very good, that is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. Got it. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, add 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Got it. Okay, the next one is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is, yes, very good. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself. Okay, we are done with the test. So here is the list of the lessons we have covered today. We've completed the chapter comparison, comparing. The lessons we did are comparison word problems. Then we have completed the final test of the chapter. So we have started the new chapter, that is addition skill builders, and the lessons we just covered is adding one. So you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today before the next session. So if you need help with any of the lesson or question, you can contact any on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So, or either you can join me in the interactive session. That would be that is daily from 4 to 4:45. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.